Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Space Engineers, where we're trying to survive in this hard scenario that I made. Now, we're surviving quite nicely, but at the same time, we want to test this mining vehicle of ours. So I'm gonna drive to the iron ore deposit that we found and see how this performs, and if we can dig a mine or a tunnel towards the ore at all. If not, we can improve upon it, but the idea is that we can raise or lower our drills so we can dig a tunnel that we can actually get out of. So we stop mining by hand, because for the beginning of the game I wanted to count only on resource boulders, but no matter how much testing I did and how much I tried to spawn boulders on this planet, a lot more than usual, I mean, so I can count on just boulders, not ore deposits. The mod that makes the ore to be a lot more rare on planets does not apply on custom planets. At least I don't know how to make it apply on my planet here. And the boulders were either too often, too common, like everywhere, or, as you can see now, too rare. I mean, they're somewhere out there, but they just don't want to spawn near my base, so I didn't want to actually mine fully like ore deposits, but have no choice since, you know, the boulders are not so common, so I can't actually mine them. Well, that being said, I hope you enjoy it and tell me what you think, and I'll see you in a second. So the upper limit should be 0. Right? Because then if I want to go the other way around, I can't go beyond 0 degrees. Correct. Nice. I don't want to do that, and it should be fine. The lower limit, I don't want to go full vertical 90, or maybe I do. Then I can dig a tunnel and I don't have to place any more drills. But still, I'll set it to 60 degree. No, yeah, I'll set it to 60 degrees. Let's see. I put some velocity on it now. Oh no, I'm sorry. The lower limit should be minus 60, not 60. But now if we do the velocity, like let's say minus 3. Yeah. I think that should be high enough. Maybe we should go... Yeah, 70 is the maximum anyway, so 70 degrees should be max. The engines should be engines. Sorters should be set to stone. Whitelist. Stone, please. Stone. Stone, whitelist. And... well, I don't need a group for these. Yeah, because they should always be on with drain all. Now the wheels I grouped, the ejectors I grouped, everything should be grouped. Let's see. Groups, no, first things first, the cockpit. Handbrake on. Then groups, let's say toggle U, on, ejectors on, engines on, or off, of course. For the wheels, I don't need anything on the hotbar, but the gyros, I would like to turn them on and off. And one more thing, I would like to have this somewhere so I can right click and left click. Nice. Oh, and for the hinge, I need the old blocks actually. Detector on and off, hinge reverse, and was there any other singular thing that I needed? The air vent toggle on and off, but I don't want to have it on the hotbar necessarily. The connector, nah, that's fine. All right. So we're all good for the moment. So let's try and reverse the hinge. And go forward. All right. Seems stable-ish. The gyros should be off. Yeah, I can do circles on the ice. Alright, enough playing. Let's see if we can... Oh, slow down. Oh yeah, I didn't put a limit on the speed of the wheels, which I should, shouldn't I? Because I'm actually going quite fast. Maybe I should, I don't know. First, let's see if we can go up these... Whoa. The power to the wheels, I think it's too much. So let's see, wheels. Less power, please. Yeah, maybe. Okay. At least I'm not accelerating from 0 to 100 so fast anymore. And hopefully the wheels on the front are enough. Alright, let's go for the iron vein. If we're testing, we might as well. It's a bit far out there, but hopefully I won't starve to death. Ow. I don't like that noise. That means I hit something. I wonder if I raise my drills, would it... My center of gravity would be closer to the middle. Maybe I can drive it easier, but then the aerodynamics mod comes into play and it actually makes me go left. What is it that is turning me to the left constantly? Something is twisting my vehicle to the left at the point that I can't actually turn my vehicle anymore. Okay. Hinge. Maybe you have too much power. Yes? Yeah, that was it. Alright, too much power to the hinge. Turn off the gyros. Yeah, I'm not spinning anymore. Alright. So it wasn't the aerodynamics, it was the hinge. It was constantly pulling probably upwards, and it was generating a lot of problems. Keep hearing noises that I'm hitting my truck with something, but I can't tell what. Alright. Bumpy road, small wheels on the front, not a good thing. I might be hitting with the wheels in the O2 gens. That's possible. Maybe. Probably. No? No. I don't know. If something breaks, I'll tell you. But this vehicle accelerates and catches some speed going high, well, going uphill. That is amazing. Could really limit my wheels to something along 100 and something. Maybe I'm going too fast. Usually I limit them at 90, but perhaps it's not needed for the moment. Alright, bumpy road. Maybe go forward and dig. Now let's see, what am I digging? Forgot to put lights on this thing, it's gonna be annoying. I'm digging down. This is the incline that I wanted to have when I was at the top. Well, maybe we should go on the top and dig with this position there. Like next to this mess that I made. And now all I have to do is hold right click. And it's going forward by itself. Hopefully I can get out. I mean, that's the whole point. Looks like we're doing fine. I think I reached it. Yeah, I can see red. Yeah, I reached the ore. Unfortunately, I seem to be a bit higher. So, I don't know what to do now, because if I lower it... Come on. Reverse the hinges. Oh, no, not 9, 7. Yeah, okay. So, if I do that, it's gonna dig probably too deep. We can definitely try. There we go. And now I can inverse, lower the drills as much as possible. And start mining normally. There we go. Now we should be mining iron. Inventory. Here we go. We got a lot of iron. Nice. We can even go a bit high with the drills. Nope. Nope. We're getting stuck in it. What is happening? Why can I not back off? Oh wow. What have I done? Why am I... What? What just happened? Why am I in a hole? Oh man. Come on. Come on. No. What? Can't see anything in the back. And it's killing me. I don't have enough power. What is it now? Yeah, I just don't have enough power. It is trying, and it's almost succeeding, but... need a light. How far is home? 3Ks? The wheel should have enough freaking power. Alright, this is it. Going home, getting some components for lights, and maybe 2 atmospheric thrusters. Be right back. Alright, so... we got lights, we got thrusters. And... lights. Okay, now the high-powered ones, I need you to be max range. And on the second page, I shall put the engines, turn block on and off, and the gyroscopes. So I can take them off from page 1, where I want these two. I'm redoing everything. So, hinge. Hinge. I need it to be closer, so reverse. Toggle block on and off. And then injectors on and off. And then lights on and off. And thrusters. Wheels. Yeah, thrusters. There it is. On and off. Okay. Alright. We can see what we're doing now. Let's go. I can actually get out of here now. Yeah, I can. Let's do something silly. Lower this. How much do we weigh? 75 tons. Alright, 75 tons. Let's see. Can we take this iron too? Alright, we're out. We're out. I mean, I think we're out. Yes! Ooh! Oh, I mean, surface. Nice. Oh. Oh my. That was an adventure. Oh, I forgot about the other ones. There's something annoying. Okay, thrusters off. I don't want to consume too much power. My spotlights seem to be illuminating. I'm driving too fast with the weight that I have. 117 tons. 117,000 kilograms. Well, actually 118 almost. So yeah, a big bump could actually probably break my wheels now. I'm gonna engage the thrusters so I can brake actually a lot better. They're gonna use a bit of power, but at least I can slow down if I see something dangerous. Yay! Daylight, beautiful daylight. So, no more lights, thank you. And let's go here, where we shall build a connector, I think. I don't want to transfer all this iron by hand. These could potentially go lower, so we can go backwards a bit. Yeah, there we go. Connect. Now it's gonna charge, and apparently I'm dumping all the stone. And the refinery should be kicking in. Yeah, there we go. Yes, nice. Alright, so we have a vehicle that can mine. Or almost can mine. But we got a lot of iron that I would have had to struggle to mine by hand. So it's a start. It's a start. And we also need a deposit scanner. This expensive. Detector components, power cells. It doesn't look expensive, so let's try it. Yeah, why not? So, do we have anything in the build planner? No. Right click it. Redraw. Build everything else. Nice. So you shall be looking for cobalt, please. Long range. It shall take 3 megawatts per hour. Scan depth 150 meters, 15 kilometers. Ooh, nice. How much? Stored power 0. Required power 3 megawatts per hour. Okay. Recharge. Fully recharged in 7 minutes. Okay. So, how are the batteries doing with this? Fully depleted in 15 minutes, Jesus. This has 3 megawatts. This has 3 megawatts. So we're actually draining one full battery. It needs 3 megawatts. Yeah, so we need to put 4 turrets in here. And then 1 turbine in the middle. Oh, great. Oxygen. And quickly to show you in here, we have a lot of space for other machineries or control centers or whatnot. Yeah. So we'll be back when we decide what to do and we get some more iron. I mean, processed. We might try to finish the second assembler. Maybe we can get it up and running in the refinery. What do I have? Just the assembly? Yeah, okay. If we have the second refinery and the assembler up and running, they're gonna help with how fast we get what we need, including, you know, ore processing and parts made. So I think that's a good investment. And actually, before we do the hangar, I'm gonna do the 4 turrets on the top just to make sure I have a little bit of defense. Even if we get targeted or attacked, at least I can defend myself with something besides my puny rifle. And you should be last for the moment, because I need those components. I'm stuck. I'm gonna make the refinery, the assembler, and this this conveyor, so it's all connected. So production is only steel plates at the moment, and it's slow. The assembler is finished, but it's not connected because the refinery and this cargo conveyor port are not. So I can't really use the assembler yet, but hopefully we can use it soon. Let's see, how is this doing? Oh, it's fully charged. So this is fully charged. Now the batteries are recharged in 12 hours. And they have 1.6 megawatts of power each. So they're inputting 600 and outputting 500. So the moment we engage the other refinery, it's gonna decimate our power. So we need a lot more power generation. That's not good. We can always turn on our engine that generates quite a bit of power, but that means we need to mine ice, which I don't want to do. Even though we are on an ice lake, I would prefer to keep it flat. That's the whole reason we came here, because it's the flattest area you can find on this planet, or probably any planet. But since this is charged, we are looking for cobalt And let's start scanning. It's pinging. Probably is doing its, scanner, sonar, whatever. And input 0 watts, so it's not charging while it's doing that. Alright. So we'll let it scan, and if it finds anything, we can create a GPS waypoint out of it. And we know we have cobalt. Hopefully we can find some. 4 more steel plates to make it operational. And then 100 to finish the actual production, the actual building. Yay! So it's fully functional. We can withdraw from here. Put them to production and move you there. So we can get the other components running. I shall put you in co-op mode. Assembler 2. Assembler 3. So I'll put you in co-op. Once I get connection to it. So now we have everything up and running, connected and all that, and moduled, which should mean that the refinery has 119 efficiency and 224% power efficiency, which basically cuts it in half. And now we are using the same amount of power, but we have 2 refineries, and they're both a little bit more efficient, which is quite nice. Very, very nice. I approve of that wholeheartedly. So let's see, the scanner should be fine. Ooh, found cobalt 7.5 kilometers away. Well, that's really not good. Add the GPS point. Where is that? Cobalt deposit. There you go. 7 kilometers that way. So 15 kilometer radius. That's the only cobalt deposit that we have. Well, at least we have one. So we want to make tiny drone that can weld. So for that we need a connector at the bottom so we can charge it up and get stuff in the cargo, in its cargo basically. So let's go that one to the side. That should be enough with the height. I can make like a tiny bit of a lander so it doesn't land on the connector all the time if I want to put it down somewhere. Why can I not hear? Oh, because I ran out of nickel, that's why. Well, that sucks. But we can go mine some. Should be getting nickel. There it is. Nice. Back to our sheep. We needed components for our thrusters. So what do we need? Oh, metal grids and other stuff. Let's see, assemblers, what are you doing? Oh, it's slowly producing more motors. Alrighty then, so we have finished decorating the tower. Ta-da! Few consoles that you can sit around and do stuff, like transparent LCDs on those consoles and hanging LCDs with, you know, rotating images. Like this one has a digital clock, that one has an analog clock. Some encouraging commercials, some graphics about, you know, blueprints and whatnot, just to make them look better. Some small ones there, some more consoles, some more. You can basically customize every single panel that you have here, so yeah, that's amazing. And yeah, looks like a control tower. A bit too much color with those two commercial screens, but I might change them. I might make them something more technical in the future, but I'm burned out with designing this tower and I want to take a break. And I also tried to color this tower a bit. I don't know how good it came out to be honest, but I tried black and white, black and yellow being my favorite combo, but it's a bit too much. I think I did the top and then I did the sides, but I redid the sides back to white because it was a bit too much. So I just did the stairs in a warning pattern, because after all, this are like, well, they're the only stairs, but their function should have been the emergency stairs, like the fire escape, not the actual way to get up the tower. So yeah, digital camouflage, black, white, and yellow. I mean, I can go in this way and show you. So it's not that bad in my opinion. That yellow might look too much as gold, and I don't know. But I like gold and, I mean, I like yellow and black. So I don't know what to say. Yeah. For the moment, this is what we have. We have a few more wind turbines and functional turrets with ammo in them. We have a parking spot for our vehicles for the moment, for our base. We're gonna need to place some lights in the ceiling to have some light in here, and that's pretty much it. We might want to put some windows somewhere in here, probably, to get some natural light. But for the moment, this is charged up, this is charged up, and the survival is charged up. So yeah, everybody's good. And yeah, we'll see what we can do. Probably mirror that with a basic refinery. But yeah, we'll see what we can do from this point on, because I pretty much did what I planned for today. So yeah, see you in a bit. Alright guys, so unfortunately that's it for this episode. Again, sorry for the no sound on from the game itself. It was just one recording session for both episodes, so I didn't realize until I actually started editing the videos, the recordings. So next episode will have sound from the game itself, so it won't be so silent. And I also decorated a bit the hangar. I put some windows in just to make it look more utility based, not a home. So from the outside it's like, you know, air can go through, maybe. I don't know, I just like the look of it. And also, I'm not sure yet about this color scheme. I might change it, because white, yellow, and black, I don't know. Maybe this yellow is too gold or something. I don't know. It's possible we might change everything, but for the moment this is what we got. So we have one basic refinery that is inputting stone from that sorter and then outputting everything from that through that sorter. So yeah, everything is ready, and we'll see what we can start doing or progress next episode. So for the moment, that's it. If you enjoyed it, please give a like. Remember, if you have any suggestions, comments, just leave them in the comment section. And as always, thanks for watching. You're amazing. See you on the next one.